Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you my new junk journals. But before I show you and tell you how I made them, please subscribe for my channel because this will help me to develop more my channel and this will make me motivated because guys, truly you are make me motivated. What else? So let's get started. As you know, Halloween is very near. I love this holiday. For me it's very mysterious and very, how should I say it, creepy, dark, so I always loved it. Unfortunately in my country there are not so many people who are how should I say celebrate Halloween. But I'm one of those people who is celebrating Halloween, so I'm very happy with it. I always get excited when Halloween comes, so I've decided to make those two junk journals with the previous one. That if you want, you can check the video and you can see it, and of course you can like the video, you can tell me what do you think for this journal, you can tell me what do you think for those junk journals. Anyway, it was very fun to make them. So they're a bit different from all the journals I've ever made. Those journals are, as I said, are for Halloween, and as you can see I made those beautiful pendants that are with polymer clay, and I'm going to show you what kind of polymer clay I used for those junk journals. Let me just get it because they're from this part of the craft room that I have. Oh my god, let me reach them, I'm really sorry. This is very spontaneous. I didn't have any kind of intention to show you the clay, but I thought that maybe it is a very good idea. So I used copy, this kind of polymer clay, and this red one. Actually I'm very happy with the result. I watched few YouTube videos and I learned how to make those very creepy anatomic brain and anatomic heart. Let me just show you. I'm going to remove them and I'm going to show you. So I baked those, as you can see them. So basically I made them. At first I was very afraid because I've never done such figure and such shapes for polymer clay. As you can see, it looks very creepy, and my intention was to put a little paint, red paint, acrylic red paint over the brain so it could look like blood. Very scary, guys. And let me show you the heart. Let me just get it here and try to be more gentle and more careful. There it is. There is a beautiful heart that you can see here. It's a very creepy one. Actually the polymer clay was with not so dark red. I mean the color is this one here, as you can see. But I make it more darker with black acrylic paint because I wanted to look more creepy. So if you want to watch those videos, you'll be able to watch them because they're in YouTube. So you can make those beautiful pendant. Probably you can search them with brain polymer clay, anatomical heart polymer clay. They were from two different people who make them, but I'm very grateful because they show me something amazing and I'm very happy with the result. So I can make something for me and for my friends for Halloween, something like this, but especially those pendants too that I made them are for, especially they are for those junk journals that I made, and I put a lot of effort to make them because I wanted to look more different and more creepy, of course. This is the boy, this is the girl. They both look very creepy, happy. Yes, they look very happy with creepy smiles, of course. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, so let's get started with the boy. So there it is. Everything that you see here is hand painted by me. And everything that I made for those junk journals are from scraps, completely scraps. How I get my ideas for those junk journals. I watched Halloween masks in Google search, and when you write creepy Halloween masks, you see one woman from Argentina who is making handmade masks who look like this, but they're bigger. So I took her idea and decided to make it as a journal, because I think it looks very interesting and very creepy, especially this beautiful boy. Creepy boy, of course. And the reason why I used, as you can see there, with holes here and there with laces, the reason that I use those kind of stuff, not binding rings like this one, of course smaller for those, is because if you like, you can adjust it the way you like to be your journal, or you can remove it. If you don't feel comfortable to write in the journal, you can pull out the journal pages. So for me this is optional, because you can do a lot of things with them, and you can remove them, you can adjust them the way that you feel comfortable with. So they're going to be available in my Etsy shop, and I'm going to post a link down below in my description box, so be sure to check it out. And how I made it, as I said, I use watercolor pencils. Let me show you, because they're near me, of course. This is the reason why I'm going to show you. These pencils, I love them. They're from, oh my god, they're probably from 10 years, and I love to use them always because they look very beautiful. So I made them with those pencils, and in the end I used this distress glaze, micro glaze, to cover it. And then where it is, let me just show you. I use as a finish this squash pot, which is amazing, and unfortunately I can't find it in Bulgaria. I don't know why, which is very horrible, because I like to use such pots. Maybe I have to buy something else, I will see. Never mind. So as I said, it's hand painted, and I use it over a paper, watercolor paper. Then as I said, I cover it a couple of times, and I stick it for let me just remove this. I stick it for this kind of cardboard that I made it as a fake, as you can see, fake metallic look, with fake metallic look. How I made this fake metallic look, I just took the shape of the head on both of them, and I used cardboard. After this, after I used cardboard, I used napkins, white napkins, just paper napkins, ordinary paper napkins that you use every single day when you want to wipe your hands from the meals that you had. And I used glue with water, and I cover the cardboard with glue and water, then I put the napkin, then I put over the paper napkin again glue and water, and after everything dried up I used black gesso to cover everything, and in the end I used bronze paste to make this fake metallic look. I think it looks very interesting and very beautiful, for me at least. So those are the papers that I've decided to make. Every single paper that I made here is in the shape of the head of the boy, because otherwise if I used circle paper it wasn't going to look so beautiful as it is right now. So every single stamp that you see here and of all the pages is hand stamped by me and hand painted by me. And this fake blood, I use red paint to make it, so I think it looks very creepy. So you can use it, you can use those beautiful papers for writing your thoughts, your memories from Halloween, of course. And all the pages, they look like this. It took me a lot of time to make them, I'm not going to lie. So this journal, the idea of this journal is to use it as a journal in which you can write a lot of things and then a lot of thoughts inside. So let me show you the girl. There it is. She looks creepy beautiful. As you can see, it's the same thing here. As I said, you can adjust your journal the way you want it. This girl is also hand painted by me. So at first, when I start painting them, I'm going to post a little short video in my Instagram channel. So if you want to see my Instagram channel, you have to go to my YouTube channel, and you're going to find my Instagram channel inside there. I think that in description box I have one link from my Instagram channel, if I'm not lying myself. I can't remember right now, but I think that you can find my Instagram channel in my description box. So I'm going to post a video how I'm painting those beautiful journals. So as an idea, I want it to be very creepy and very different from all of the journals. So I hope I made it. I'm struggling. I really strongly hope that I managed to make it to look so creepy. And there it is. Inside there is a crow and a web with a spider, very scary web with a spider. I used two different stamps here to make those scary journal pages. Also I used this fake blood because it's fake. I used red paint to make it. So also here you can write your thoughts. The way I made this cover is the way that I made this one and the previous video, with cardboard, with napkins, with water, with glue, with gesso, and of course in the end with this bronze paste that I used as because my idea was to make it vintage and in the same time to look more like, to have this more metallic look, scary metallic look, as you can see. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below what do you think for those journals. If you like to buy them, go in my Etsy shop because they're going to be available there. And let me see, the brain was here, or I don't remember. Never mind. So this is it from me for today. If you want to find how to make those pendant guys, you have to search in YouTube. They were very easy. If you watch the clip, I memorized the things that the women in the clips did, so I did the same thing and I memorized it. It wasn't so difficult, but at first, honestly, I was very afraid because I didn't know what was going to happen after I make this polymer clay. So enough with the talking. I wish you amazing day and amazing Halloween, of course. I know that it's not Halloween right now, but it's coming. So please subscribe one more time for my channel. As I said, this will make me motivated more to show you a lot of interesting things that I have in my mind. And check my Etsy shop because you're going to find a lot of interesting things inside. I'm also making different digital papers, new digital papers for Halloween. So you can see it there and visit my Etsy shop. Also go and visit my Instagram because sometimes I'm posting the process of the journals that I'm making. So I wish you an amazing day one more time and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys!